Hey everyone, कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you all are safe and doing great. So welcome and welcome back to my channel Fly Beauty with aakriti. आज की वीडियो पिंक ग्लैम मेकअप लुक होने वाला है. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to prime my face with the help of Huda Beauty primer. After that, I am using this Huda Beauty illuminating foundation. Okay, so I am going to apply this foundation in dot dot. Now you have to take wet beauty blender and then start blending. Okay, so I am done with my foundation. Now I am going to use this LA Pro Girl concealer. I am using this compact powder at my concealer. Here I am using this dark brown shade for my brows. You can also use black color as per your choice. Here I am done with my brows. Now I am going to do my eye makeup. I am going to choose this light pink shade for my crease area. Using this purple shade. After that I am using this dark purple shade for my lid area. Using this glittery purple shade. So here my eye makeup is done. You can see it clearly. I'm going to apply eyeliner. My eyeliner is going to apply again a dark purple shade on my lower lash line. Here I am using this flat shader brush. I'm going to use this black kajal. Here I am using this Huda Beauty nude mascara. Apply this red purple shade on my lips. Okay, so I'm going to bronze my face. For bronzing I'm using here a brown shade. Bronzing my face I'm going to apply little bit blush. For blush I'm using here this pink shade. You can clearly see the difference.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight.
I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you.